Okay. Good morning, good evening, sunny side. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon. Um. Oh, I'm going to talk about Tektite. Then I'm gonna go for my walk. I just finished working out. We'll talk about Tektite. Somebody just stopped me, asked about this. Said, "Is that a black obsidian or a black tourmaline?" Nope. It's a Tektite. Say it with me. Tektite. But first, these people I get lunch from sometimes only watch my videos to see the fortune cookie. Did you watch mine? Oh, no. What would you say? No, we only watched you do the fortune cookie. Yeah. All right. This is the one that they pick, and they're excited to see because we're having a big discussion on it. So this is the one I get these cookies from. I picked two, and then they picked two. So this is their second one that they picked. Okay. Learn. Damn it. Okay. You want me to learn Chinese? You want me to learn Chinese? Is that what it is? Okay. Yellow. No. Blue. The yellow. Oh, I get you. Yellow and blue makes green. Okay. Did you know this? Okay, let me read it. To let another into your. Okay, let me be clear. To let another into your heart, first let yourself in. Okay. First let myself in. I got these questions of what is the good and the bad of this mystic ways and power that you are feeling. The good is I'm stronger. Is that the word? I'm more solid. Because it's like you seem the same, but you seem different. I said, well, what is different? Nobody can tell me what is different. Don't know. You sound different. You're different, but yeah, that's Carlos. What I don't like is I just thought of something. I just told somebody yesterday that I have to just put up with me being silly for another year or two because this stuff can make you silly. I'm already silly, but there's so much. Like yesterday, there was so much emotions going on. There was so much emotions going on. I was at a place. Stones, bones. There was no bones in there, but there was so much going on in there. Mystery person, are you able to? Are you able to send something spiritually to me when I least expect it? Okay, let's talk about Tektite. I got three of them. I really meant to just get two. I wanted to get a necklace, and I wanted to, let's see, can you see that? I wanted to get this one, but then I ended up getting another one. I wanted to wear one, and then I wanted to have one handy, and I don't know. I don't know, because I vouch for this, along with the motivite. All these crystals and stones I have to remember. You guys got a good look at it because I'm about to go and walk and talk. And I'll tell you what I did, my first experiences with it, and what do you do. And I'll put a description of it in the description. Look down below. Okay? Oh, I'll show you the other one while I'm here. Let me show you the other one. And here's my other one. All right. I think that's a good look there, right? Feels like a rock. Just feels like a little rock. Maybe a rock. Okay, let me talk about it while I'm walking. I need to walk. Okay, I'm doing my walk. Tektite. I laugh. I don't even know if I can say it. When you hit somebody, like karate or something. Tektite. Okay, let me get it together. Okay. Again, I'm going to put the description of the benefits of it and what it is, where it comes from, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And I just really want to tell you what I've experienced. Okay? I remember how I found out was this guy, I bump him to every blue moon. And I say, hey, man, when will you be here again so I can meet you? We will bump into each other again, young man. We will bump into each other again. You keep yourself cleansing. But then, when somebody does something stupid, this idiot here, it doesn't make any sense. Like, why would you waste time making a man like this who just does foolish things? That's how he talks. Okay. But then back to me. Yes. Back to me, man. What do I have to do? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. So just. But then he says, man, Tektite. Get you a Tektite. I told him some of the stuff that's going on in the past 4 years, but really, year. And he said, get you a Tektite. And he said that it'll cleanse you. And so he says, cleanse yourself spiritually and physically. And you know what else I take? I take dandelion root herbs. And, I'm missing it. Dandelion root and mushroom. What is it? Mushroom root? Damn. Is it mushroom root? Sorry, I can't remember. I believe it's that. I take those also when I'm just staying home to cleanse myself. And I mean, nothing. I don't know if anything happened, but I've been cleansing myself and get rid of all the toxins and all that stuff, do that. But I have just done the Tektite, and it worked, I feel. And I'm the guy who's like, believe me, I was impatient a little bit. I said, I'll wait the hour, but I'm ready to take this thing off. And 20-30 minutes, I had the other stone, one of the big stones, I had it up here, and for some reason I put it down below here, and then I put it maybe right here, and boom, right away I started to feel a warm sensation, a burn or something in there. And I said, okay, let me leave it on there for a little bit. I will think about what just happened to me. Some bullshit that happened to me. And And I had to come back in the car because of everything. I had to come back in the car. And it's hot out there. It's November, 11th? 105 degrees out there or something. Okay. So after about an hour, I forgot which one I had on. After about an hour, I was feeling all right, and I thought about what happened to me. Yeah, I know what happened to me, but I'm good. And that's amazing. I'm good. I'm all right. And yeah, I'm good. Even if I re-enter the gauntlet, I'm good. And that was amazing. So I called. I was like, hey, man, just to let you know I'm all right, blah, blah, blah. Man, but it's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours. You good already? Like, who'd you talk to? I said, nobody. I said, I have this thing, this stone. What kind of stone? Tektite. And yeah, I just had this, down here, laying on me. And, it was like imprinted. It was like sinking in there. It's like, man, I had to like pick it up sometimes. It was sinking on in there. It's like, man. And then somebody asked, do you ever put all of them on you at the same time? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. But I know that I've had like one of them on my chest. And then again, I probably was this one. I like rubbing this one. For whatever reason, I like rubbing it. And the guy who turned me on to this, he says he does healing, and sometimes he just lets the person do. They feel like holding it, then let them hold it, and they just hold it. He said she was holding it tight. No, I mean I just like rubbing it, and yeah, I highly recommend it. And it gets, we got a lot of evil spirits lurking. We got a lot of I still can't believe when I talk and I listen to myself. I can't believe I talk like this. But we do have a lot of evil spirit. We have a lot of evil spirits, and more than ever now. I don't know if it's because I'm more knowledgeable, but more than ever now, I see people with these bad voices, and they're used to the bad voices. I'm uncomfortable with it. That's why how I am where I am now, because I was uncomfortable. Like, it's not comfortable, always having to deal with what I'm used to dealing with. That has to change. They've made you change. Now you make them change. They will try to cut you down. Don't. And I also take mushroom root and all of that to cleanse the body, mind, soul, spirit. Did I cover everything? So I recommend that you get it. It's relaxing, and I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I hope that my experience, I've only had it for, I think, since October 10th, maybe a little after. Let's say 15th. I've had it for just a little while, about a month, almost a month. And so this is just my first experience, and then I wouldn't be talking about it if I didn't feel anything with it. Or maybe I could talk about it if I didn't feel anything, but so far, 2 for 2 here. Motivite, which, I'm gonna keep talking about it, but people are trying to, that's another story. And Tektite so far. Make sure you lay down for an hour, at least an hour. More is good, but at least an hour is. And relax. Just relax. Don't think about nothing. Relax. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back. Slow down!